That dress was the most beautiful thing I had ever seen.
Your move, fuckboy.
Father said it was my father. At the time, I just know I wanted it. Jojutsu. It meant purity. My father always viewed me as pure, and I would always stay pure for him.
Would you like some tea,
God damn it!
Shining, 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 shining brightly for all to see. I hold destiny just like a star. We come this far.
It's called a camway. It's called a camway. It's called a camway. It's called the camway. Or God roll.
Smoke weed every day.
Senketsu is a god? Shut up, Senketsu!
Yeah, shut up, Senketsu.
How do you know all this?
I told you, your dad and I have something in common. We both like kinky, sexy.
I didn't sign up for this!
Quit your blabbering, idiot. This is for science.
Yeah, science rules. Reblog.
God damn it!
Lol.
There you go! You look super cute in my jammy jams! Pug pug pug, pug pug pug, pug pug pug, pug pug pug.
Thanks, Mako.
You'd look cuter if you were naked. What is it?
It feels rough.
Whoa, it feels like goosebumps.
Really?
Feel it!
This can't be good.
Guessing you didn't sleep good?
Not at all. Hopefully today's a good day. So much for that.
What's up, Faker?
That blue hedgehog again, of all places.
I found you, Faker.
Faker? I think you're the fake hedgehog around here. You're comparing yourself to me? Ha! You're not even good enough to be my fake.
I'll make you eat those words.
Now we're talking.
Don't lose your mind.
Alright, Sasuke Kidoin. Tell me, did you kill my father? And what if I did? Are you gonna hit me?
Come on, hit me.
Fuck! Ow!
Guess I'm gonna be the one disciplining. Hashtag suck it, comma. Inumata! Company!
Lol.